Or because of the positioning of the reed over the slash word, the reed beats the, so like this reed will be like this, it will beats the just laid pick or weft into the fell of the cloth, like that it moves like this. So the reed beats the just laid pick into the fell of the cloth. So after it beats into the fell of the cloth, that is the beat up mechanism. Beat up mechanism is completed. It is a very simple mechanism. It is a very simple mechanism. Just crankshaft rotates, its rotary motion is converted into to and fro motion of the reed with the help of sleigh sword and crank arm, and to and fro motion of the reed pushes the picks into the fill of the cloth. This is the beat up mechanism, the most simple mechanism of all the mechanisms in fabric manufacture lab 1 practice. The settings. The sleigh is set such that line drawn through the extreme position of the sword pin should pass through the axis of the crankshaft. Alignment should be checked. That's what it means. The two crank arms should be of equal length. There are two crank arms and both of them should be of equal length. Otherwise it will be a joke of the mechanism. Why? One crank arm is like this and the other crank arm is on the, if it has lesser length, how does the beat up happens? Beat up doesn't happen at all. So that's why the two crank arms should be of equal length. The race board and the back plate of the shuttle box should be in line. The race board and the back plate of the shuttle box should be in line. So alignment should be checked of the race board and the back plate of the shuttle box. Next, if the race board is worn out by the constant rubbing of the shuttle, then it should be replaced with a new one. Race board, if it is worn out because of the wear and tear of the constant rubbing of the shuttle, then it should be replaced with a new race board. So race board should be new and it should be, there should not be worn out race boards. So these are the settings of the beat up mechanism. The sleigh is set such that line drawn through the extreme position of the sword pin should pass through the axis of the crankshaft. The two crank arms should be of equal length. Crank arms are connecting arms. The race board and the back plate of the shuttle box should be in line. That means they should be aligned properly. If the race board is worn out by the constant rubbing of the shuttle, then it should be replaced with a new one. Race board should not be worn out, should not be damaged. If it is damaged, then it should be replaced with a new one. This can be damaged by the constant rubbing of the shuttle. As the shuttle travels from one end of the loom to the other end of the loom, the race board has a chance of being getting damaged. It may get damaged because of the constant rubbing action of the shuttle as the shuttle passes over the race board. So because of that, the race board may get damaged. To avoid this worn out or damaged race boards, we have to buy new ones, and it replace and should be replaced with the replace the older ones. The new ones should be replace the should should replace the older race boards. So this is about settings. Now we will study read, the functions of the read. What is a read? So the whole beat up mechanism is based on the read, mainly crank and crankshaft, and then the actual beating up is done by the help of the read. So we will study about the read. So please, I will read once and twice, and then please understand. It is a metallic comb reed. So I am defining reed. It is a metallic comb that is fixed to the sleigh with a reed cap. The reed is made of a number of wires, and the gap between wires is known as dents. Each dent can accommodate 1, 2 or more warp ends. The count of the reed is decided by the number of dents in 2 inches. The reed performs a number of functions which are enumerated as follows. So reed, it is a metallic comb. Reed is a metallic comb. It is a metal. Sometimes reed cap is wooden, but reed is metal always. That is fixed to the sleigh. It is a metallic comb that is fixed to the sleigh with a reed cap. So sleigh and reed is connected by a reed cap. The reed is made of a number of wires. The reed is made of number of wires, and the gap between wires is known as dents. So suppose these are 4 reed wires. Please see that these are 4 reed wires. Then the gap between 2 fingers or 2 wires is known as dent. Dent, D-E-N-T, dent. And each dent can accommodate 1, 2 or more warp ends. Each dent, so through the each dent, one warp thread can pass, or 2 warp threads can pass, or more, depending on the design of the machine and cloth. So the gap between wires is known as dent. Each dent can accommodate 1, 2 or more warp ends. So what is reed count? Now I am going to study the count of the reed or reed count. The count of the reed or reed count is decided by the number of dents in 2 inches. How many number of dents are present in 2 inches? That is known as reed count. Reed count is, what is reed count? The number of dents in 2 inches. Suppose if there are 36 dents in 2 inches, then it is known as reed count is known as 36. Suppose 52 dents are there in 2 inches, then read count is known as 52. So there are two kinds of read count systems: Stockport system and Radcliffe system. So Stockport system says that 36 dents per 2 inches, then it is known as Stockport system. And as far as I remember, 48 dents per 2 inches, then it is known as Radcliffe read count system. So read count is nothing but number of dents per 2 inches, not 1 inch, 2 inches. The read performs a number of functions which are enumerated as follows. The read has lot of functions that it will perform, and some of the functions are enumerated below. The first function, it pushes the lastly laid pick or weft to the cloth fell or fell of the cloth. It pushes the last laid pick of or weft into the fell of the cloth. Okay. Next, it helps to maintain the position of the warp threads. It helps to maintain the position of the warp threads. The warp threads pass through the heeled wires and then through the reed wires. So they maintain the position of the warp threads. Third point, it acts as a guide to the shuttle which passes from one end of the loom to the other. So reed acts as a guide to the shuttle. What does it do? Shuttle do? Which passes from one end of the loom to the other.